Hey guys, Crafty Projects here. I'm Elena and this is Steven, and we are going to teach you guys how to make some easy, quick bake peanut butter cookies. These are the ingredients, and now you want to preheat your oven to 325, and then using a mixing bowl, you want to add 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then mix until completely fluffy. Mine's didn't turn out completely fluffy, and that was only because they were crunchy peanut butter. And then you want to oil your pan, and then using a fork, create crisscross hatches in the peanut butter cookies until like they're semi-flat. Not totally flat, but just semi-flat. And then these are them, how they look. And then you place them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And just be patient. And this is how they look at like 6 minutes. These are when they're done. Now just be patient and wait for them to cool off, and they're pretty good. Hope you guys enjoy.